So I'm only gonna open this door up part way because the elevator's not here, okay? Okay, I think that's pretty secure. And we can keep our head through here. So there's our big old massive counterweights. Follow all the way down to the car. Can you see the elevator car down there? Yeah. And so this is actually a 2-to-1 roped system, and that's why we have that big pulley on the counterweights. Up here, yeah. So what we'll do is we're gonna cross right across this walkway here. So what we have here, this is a new Hollister Whitney machine. So this elevator was originally installed in 1958, and then we modernized it not too long ago, and I think around 2016. And this is a new drive machine. So kind of looks a lot like that old one that was on the truck, because this company that builds these, they haven't changed things for 50 years. They still build them exactly the same. In here, this is our controller. So first big thing you see here, this big drive, this controls the motor. So that's this thing's sole purpose, is to control the speed of the motor, the accelerations and the slowdowns. And then we would have what we call our motion controller down here, really just this section right here. And so the motion controller controls the motion of the elevator, right? And then we have another section of the controller called the operations controller, and that controls the operations. So the operations will tell the motion controller what to do, this will tell this what to do, and this will tell that what to do. And it all comes from you when you push that button. So we can actually do some pretty cool things in here. Got a status screen that tells us a little bit about our car. So we have position indicator 1. We have a -16 for floor level. So that's kind of telling us where it is. It has speed feedback, so it will tell us how fast it's moving. And then this shows us the condition of our doors. So this little line kind of shows us if the doors are closed. It shows them as your horizontal center parting doors. That's what that's kind of indicating there. So what we can do is we can go into this menu, we're going to debug, and we can enter car calls from right here. So what we're going to do is enter a car call, and we can watch our machine going. So once this machine starts going, what you're going to see first, you'll hear the motor kind of make some noise, and then this big solenoid here is going to release the brake on it. And then our drive machine here goes down and connects to the car. This is going to start to turn. So we'll want to keep our hands clear of everything the whole time this is moving, and we'll go ahead and enter a call. Do you want to do it? Yeah. So press that center button right there. Okay, here we go. That big click. This is brake releasing. That spinning device over there, that's our overspeed governor. So if the car was overspeed, that's going to shut it down, and ultimately it'll set the signals on. Pretty loud and cool. Come on. Do we want to move the car again? Yeah. Okay, so I want you to push the down button twice. So we're changing that, and then go ahead and hit enter. Step that, and watch it go. This machine is only designed to lift 5,000 pounds, but the capacity was 10,000 pounds, right? But we saw how it was double roped and it went through those sheaves, so we could double the workload of this machine by doing it. Cut the speed in half, but we double the workload. So, this one's very slow. You can see why they want the other lift to be in operation.
What's the speed on that?
This thing's probably, I'd say 30 feet per minute. But this little guy has a 5,000 pound capacity. Oh, it decided it's going back down. I'm not too sure why.